Well, the calls for accountability continue to grow as the man accused of setting a woman on fire in a New York City subway train has now been indicted on state charges. CBS News New York reporter Hannah Kliger has more on those charges he is facing and what happens next now in this case. Hannah.
33-year-old Sebastian Zepeda waived his appearance in court today, with his defense attorney appearing instead on his behalf. The hearing was very brief to formally announce the indictment against him, which includes 4 charges of murder, including that top charge of first-degree murder, as well as first-degree arson. That first-degree murder charge is the most serious in New York state law and carries the possibility of life without parole. On Thursday, a spokesperson for Mayor Eric Adams said in a statement he is also hoping to explore criminal charges against Zepeda under the federal arson statute. Immigration and Customs Enforcement officials say Zepeda entered the U.S. illegally from Guatemala in 2018, was deported, and re-entered the country. According to the criminal complaint against him, he used a lighter to set the sleeping woman's clothes on fire and then used a shirt to fan the flames. An unsuspecting officer's body camera captured a clear image of him at the scene on Sunday, which investigators say helped lead to his arrest a few hours later. The identity of his victim is still unknown, but officials believe she may have been homeless. Today, after his most recent court appearance, District Attorney Eric Gonzalez said investigators are still working on figuring out who she is.
Her body was badly burned, and so advanced fingerprinting efforts are being made, as well as advanced DNA evidence to identify her. We have made some progress in that area, but I'm not at liberty to get into specifics now.
In the criminal complaint, she is identified only as Jane Doe. Yesterday, community leaders held a prayer vigil for her. As for Zepeda, he is due back in court on January 7th, where that indictment will be formally unsealed. In downtown Brooklyn, Hannah Kliger, back to you.